Hey, I am Doug from DOUGandNIKI, and I am here to do a very early unboxing, test, and review of this DEERC D40, which seems to be a really cool updated mini drone. So in this video, I'm gonna fly it first so you can see all the fun stuff. Then I'm gonna come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of it. And then finally, if you're still interested, I will do the unboxing with all the details and information about the drone. And you can see it at the same time I do. But let's go fly it. Wow, what a long, hard day of shooting, but so much fun. If you only knew how much time it takes to make that little 1-minute segment of crazy stuff, but it's so worthwhile. First off, it's so much fun, and it's the only way I can really tell you how these things work or don't work is by really using them. And I gotta tell you, this is my favorite toy drone ever. This thing is awesome. It is easy to fly. The software works great. The FPV is actually legitimately decent. I've included some of the video from that so you can see what that looked like. It hovers, it's controllable, it's easy to work with. All good stuff. I don't have a single complaint about this. I lied. I do have one little complaint. The batteries don't last as long as they say. I don't think you get a good 10 minutes of active flying and stunts and doing stuff. I think that would be the longest you could fly it, but nonetheless, you have plenty of fly time. You have a great time. 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I totally enjoy this. Let's go check out that unboxing. So this is a brand new drone. I'm always excited to open the box on a brand new drone the first time. This looks to be an update of the amazing DEERC D40. Looks like a similar size, layout, that kind of stuff. I don't know that it necessarily shares any of the same hardware. No, this looks totally different, so you can eliminate that. All right, this is so cool. Let's see what we got in here. How can I make you wait a little longer to see it? All right, let's see what comes in it. I'm going to make you wait to see the drone itself, but let's start with the basic stuff. It comes with instruction manual. As you know, I say always read your instruction manual first. They are all just a little different. So I feel like the drone company does that just to annoy us. But in any case, they're all just a little different. So please read that so you know before you try to fly it. Here are some basic tools and a USB charger for the batteries. What do we got under here? Oh, blade guards. I'm gonna use them this time because the last one didn't go so well. Okay, here is the remote. So the remote is a classic, very standard remote. Your one button to take off, you have your stunt button, you have your speeds, you have choice between photography and video, and there's a little knob here Nah, this is locked up. You also have the FPV holder built into it, so you just flip that out. And here we have obviously, oh, the low and the high speed. We're not gonna do the low speed, right? We're just doing the high speed and the power, okay? And in terms of batteries, this takes three AAAs. Okay, we're getting closer to the good stuff that I know you wanna see. Okay, so it comes with 2 composite batteries. Let's take a look at the battery itself so that you can see what. So this battery is supposed to last about 10 minutes from what I understand. I guess you saw the review, you know if it lasted the full 10 minutes or not. All right, here it is. Here is the drone. Check this little guy out. How cool is that? Let's unfold the blades, see what it looks like fully extended. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? So it has a manual 1-axis gimbal, and in terms of video quality, it does 1080. And in terms of your FPV, it's a 20 frames per second view rate, which is pretty good. I think overall, in the past year where I haven't flown it, I think it looks really cool. I'm excited to fly it. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.